I'm buying Bitcoin, guys. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I am buying Bitcoin, the strategy that I am going to be using, and honestly, guys, I know that this is a risky investment. I just want to get this right in the intro. I'm only going to be investing $2,000 into Bitcoin, and this is only going to be around 1% of my total portfolio because I understand that Bitcoin is a high risk, high reward play, and that's kind of my mindset. And for all of you Bitcoin guys saying, well, Bitcoin carries the future. Guys, I'm a very, very conservative investor, and I hope you guys understand that. But we're gonna be breaking down my strategy for investing in Bitcoin and pretty much why I'm going to be investing in it. You know, what is my thought process behind it? So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So now, guys, let's jump into it, roll that intro, let's go. Bam! So guys, honestly, I don't know everything about Bitcoin. I just want to get that off my chest right now. There's going to be people out there that know way more than I do and probably have a lot more information and, you know, education than I can give you guys. But I'm going to do my best, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So now, what is my strategy for investing in Bitcoin? Well, guys, it is the one and only dollar cost averaging. Yes, it is the same strategy that I use for investing in the stock market. Now I'm going to be using it for Bitcoin. So right off the get-go, I'm going to be investing $2,000 into Bitcoin. That's going to be my total principal, but I'm going to be investing $200 a week over the next 10 weeks to get a good average price. And I just want to get this out there too, is I may continue to do more. You know, I would like to keep it in under a $10,000 investment, but you never know. So now I kind of regret not investing into Bitcoin sooner because I always believed that there was opportunity there, but it was that opportunity cost that killed me. Should I invest in Bitcoin that is a little risky, or should I invest in the S&P 500 that has been around for 90 years and has a great return of 9.8%? I kind of always lean towards the stock market, and that's kind of what I thought. But now I have the portfolio size where I can kind of go ahead and expand into other things. So now, why am I investing in Bitcoin? Carter, what potential do you see in Bitcoin? Well, guys, Bitcoin has a market cap over $300 billion. And I just want to put this out there. That is more than Walmart. That is more than multiple stocks in the S&P 500. Honestly, guys, Bitcoin's going to be around for a while. And that's kind of my mindset with it. I understand that it is a very risky investment. I'm pretty much hoping that somebody pays more for my Bitcoin. I'm well aware of that. I understand how that part works, but I just think that there's a lot of potential for it. Now, one of the main reasons why I like Bitcoin is because you can send money anywhere. You can wire it to anywhere across the whole world for virtually nothing. And I think that is a huge advantage for so many things. Just recently, I closed on my first house, and they had a transaction or a wire fee to wire the money to the title company of over $100. And I always paid it, but imagine if that was Bitcoin, I would have saved $100 like that. And I just wish that there was something out there that was affordable, and that's kind of what Bitcoin is. You can send money to anyone or pretty much anything or any business and have it be free and very, very, very fast. I completely understand that Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, but I do think that there's some advantages there. I understand that for it to be a main currency, yes, there's going to be some centralized in it. There's going to be some restrictions. There's going to be some rules that you have to follow for it to be a currency that we use. And I think that yes and no, because for online, Bitcoin thrives. That's where Bitcoin thrives. And for it to be a huge, huge currency, I understand that a lot of small businesses are gonna have to figure out ways to accept it. Same with almost stores like Apple, like Amazon. You can't buy anything on Amazon with Bitcoin. I think that is not good, but I think there is some potential in the future for it. Another thing that I honestly kind of don't like about Bitcoin is how volatile it is. If you were going to use this as a main currency, one day you may have $50, then $100, and then have $25. The thing's very, very volatile. Look at the chart, it goes up and down at pretty rapid rates. For it to be a main currency, it's gonna have to be a stable currency that goes up and there's some inflation. I do think that's where Facebook's currency has a little advantage. It's supposed to be a flat currency that you can use online, and it's supposed to be coming out, I believe, in 2021 as like a beta program. And honestly, so one of the main reasons, like I said, was why I love it is how you can send money. And another thing, this is a huge competitor with banks. And I know a lot of you might be saying, well, Carter, not really. But honestly, if I was going to send money to somebody, am I going to go to a bank that's going to charge me $12 to send money? Or should I download a Bitcoin app, send money to somebody, and then transfer it to my wallet for a lot less money? I think that Bitcoin has that huge advantage there, and I think that's where it's gonna thrive, online and where you can send money to people. Even if you guys look at payment systems like Venmo or Cash App, they still charge money, and it's not always instant. If you guys, let's just say, have $100 to transfer, you may only send $98 to somebody. So that's still like a 2% processing fee, whereas Bitcoin is literally free. You just have to get their crypto ID. So I do think that Bitcoin has a ton of potential, and like I said, I'm not no expert on it. I just think that there's a lot of potential for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, and maybe we'll do a series on it. Maybe learning crypto with Carter, because I am still a learner. I'm an amateur when it comes to this. I am no expert by any means. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, guys. Have a good one.